F sharp minor, really a beautiful key and really kind of melancholic to my taste anyway. Remember to use a lot of bow, as much as you can, really long, beautiful bows, carefully planned and measured out on each note. And also you should play no open strings, if at all possible. This really should be completely fingers. And of course, be sure to pay extra attention to the intonation and beautiful tone. That should be always your goal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where there's more information about the lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.